Hi, I'm Richard Byrne. In this video, I'm going to show you how to streamline scheduling Zoom meetings by using Calendly and Zoom. I wrote about this last week, and a longtime reader of my blog asked me for a video about how to do it, so here we are. Let's take a look, first of all, at Calendly.com, and let's get started, and we're going to sign up, in this case, using my dog Max's Google account to sign up. And we're going to use just the free Calendly account that you can use to create a reservation page or a booking page. So let's create our Calendly URL, and we'll call it Max the Dog. And it's automatically detected my time zone for me. Let's continue here. And we're going to make sure that Max's email address is connected to his Google Calendar account. And we're going to say yes, check for conflicts, and yes, add events to that Google Calendar. And now let's set our availability. So let's say I'm only going to be available for meetings on Monday between 2 and 5. And on Wednesdays from 2 to 5. Now, you can always go back in and override these and change these later. So you can choose what you think is going to work for you for now and then change it up later if you need to. Let's hit continue. And let's just say my day-to-day job is education. So let's finish setting that up. And we're going to look here at the default option, which is a 30-minute one-on-one meeting. Okay, so we can change that out. We can edit this. And let's change what this meeting is. Okay, and let's call it Short Meetings with Max. Or a short meeting with Max. And let's go to add location and choose Zoom. This is where we connect Zoom. Okay? And so we're going to now go to the Zoom integration page and integrate Calendly and Zoom together. So just click through there and connect Zoom. And we're going to say now allow. And we're going to set Zoom as the location. We'll go to our event types. And there's our 30-minute one-on-one meeting. Now, if I refresh this over here, let's reload that. We can say, what event is this? 30-minute meeting with Max. And it's going to be a Zoom meeting. And let's save and close that. And now let's go back in and look at our meeting here, 30-minute meeting with Max. And let's look at the booking page. And this is the page that I'll now give to people if they want to sign up for a meeting with Max. Or now let's take a look at how that appears to the person who's signing up. So a person who's signing up for a meeting is going to see the page just like this. And they want to pick a time. And we'll pick 2 p.m. on Wednesday. Confirm it. Put in the name. Put in Richard, put in the email address, and schedule that event. And so the person signing up, that's all they have to do is what you just saw right there. Now, here in Zoom, in Max's Zoom account, what we're going to see is that there is now a 30-minute meeting with Max scheduled. Now, Max's time zone is a little bit off right here, which is why it's showing 6 p.m. Max's time zone is not set correctly in Zoom right now. So it's showing 6 p.m. instead of 2 p.m., which is what it should have shown. But we can change that pretty easily by going into the settings here for Max's Zoom account. And let's change Max's time zone. And so we see now that when we refresh this screen, that now the meeting is actually at 2 p.m., just like the meeting was booked by the person visiting the sign up page. So that's how you can streamline your meeting scheduling process by using Calendly and Zoom. As always, for more things like this, please check out freetech4teachers.com or subscribe to my YouTube channel.